Gold traded with modest bearishness for the day, but we are yet to see it trading below the critical support at 3270. We have seen it approaching 3270 a couple of times, but it is yet to break below this, while silver has almost stayed flat. On the upside, it is struggle at 3320, and on the downside 3270, 3260 zone. See, all these levels we discussed in our first update for the day, and I hope you all profited with that. Now, what to expect from gold and silver with the US session? Is this trend going to continue, or we are looking forward to a bull run here in metals? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First we look into gold followed with silver. Watch till the end. Now see, earlier in the day I have mentioned, see, it is creating higher lows here. See, first at around 3260, then 32, let me stretch it a bit, 3260, 3267, then today 3265, then today it is moved towards 3267, and see, it is creating higher lows. So it is the kind of squeeze which we are seeing here, and thus it is very important for gold to trade below 3270 60 zone. Only and only if you see gold trading below 3270 and 60, you can say now it is turning bearish and you can look forward to a greater correction here. How far, how low? We can expect it to move towards 3250 and 3240 levels. Below 3240 is where we are going to see a massive slide, massive correction. Right now it is struggling here. Now see this on the hourly charts. After showing the reversal, it has seen a rise. 20 period offered a good resistance, then the further drop, lower lows are seen again towards 20 period. 20 period definitely is a offering it a greater resistance. So now only buying is above 3300, and even if you're buying at 3300, I will say 33.8, 33.10 first resistance, and then 33.16, 33.820 zone the next resistance. This zone is going to remain critical. If you see gold trading above 33.20, close your eyes, stay bullish. We are looking forward to 33.30, 32, and in fact 33.40 plus levels. Chances appears less, but yes, these are markets, and gold, looking at the bull run, what we had seen in the recent past, it can do wonders on the upside. Moving averages are trading with divergence and are staying bearish. The stochastic, after forming a double bottom, trying to look upwards, staying bullish. If you see the MACD almost flat, not showing any sign here, and the RSI is also flat here. Coming to 2 hour, see on the 2 hour charts here, you can see this flat base which suggests 3280 for now, then 3270, and then 3265 and 60. Look at this box here and see the candles shying away from closing below 3280 levels. Thus this zone is gonna remain critical for gold for the day. And if you now see it is staying below 3270 US, you can stay short and we can expect it to move towards 3260 and lower levels. Right now what we are seeing here, see the drop here, the sideways movement, then again a bounce back. This time it is trying to break out. However, till 3300, 3310, 3320, do not treat gold as bullish. Only bullishness is above 3320 levels. Stochastic trying to look upwards, MACD almost flat, RSI almost flat. On the 3 hour, see on the 3 hour charts, 100 period average here. See, first of all, the crossover here is very important. The 20 and 50 period moving averages have crossed over on the sell side and are trading with divergence. On the downside, you can see support coming in here at 3280 levels, very strong, and then 3270, 32 65 60, very good support in between this zone exists, and thus this is the zone of caution for us. A slide below 3260, just close your eyes, stay bearish. We are looking forward to a greater decline. Notice the support it is getting from the 100 period here. Thus it is very important for gold to stay below 100 period moving average. Also what we are seeing here is the drop, retracement drop, and this could be a double bottom as well, from where the prices could move upwards all the way towards 3360, 3370, and thus on the upside be careful till towards 3320, beyond which we can see bullishness prevailing. Stochastic comfortable, MACD is trading bearish but without any divergence. It may cross over on the buy side, but right now it is staying on the sell. RSI flat. On the 4 hour, similar observation, very important to note this point. It could be a double bottom from here. It could move towards the top here. This point you should watch out for. The moving averages here has converged but not yet crossed over, suggests that it is going to find this zone as a greater resistance zone. On the upside, 3300, 3320 should offer a greater resistance here to gold. And right now I can see a reversal sign here. With that as reversal, it is trying to break out, and hence even if you see it is staying above 3296, you can buy, but then 3300, 3302, then 33.810 should be the next resistance level. Stochastic flat, MACD is bearish, RSI is flat. Coming to daily. Now, before we proceed to daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 32nd mentorship batch starting 5th of May. Do not miss to join this batch. Register yourself, reach out to me for your queries. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me on Telegram for your queries. And if you are looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now on the daily chart, see, it has created a step and since then it has traded bearish. But what I am looking here is, see this slightly higher low, and it is shying away from trading below 3260. Now what if it trades below 3260? You can expect 3250 levels, the 20 period first support, and then you can find out the median of the Bollinger Bands at 3230, the next target. Now below this we are looking forward to 33, 32, 10, 12, and then 3200 levels. Very good support exists till towards 3200. Below that it will fall into a correction zone. Notice what's happening here. Every rise offsets with a bigger retracement. Bigger the rise, it could follow with a bigger retracement. And even if it tries to move towards 50 period moving average, see where this 50 period sitting at 3100, 3120. See, we have seen massive rise, it could follow with a equally stronger drop. At least even if it trades towards the 50 period, we can see 3150, 3120, 3100 levels. The stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is crossing over here for sell. This is very important. See, it is crossing over at the peak here. It is crossing over at the top here. And this suggests, and this is just one candle away after the crossover, this suggests this down move might continue here for a while from now. And this could pull the prices lower. Be mindful of this. RSI looking downwards, which is again a bearish sign. So now considering this, what I'll recommend, a buying entry can be taken at 3296, but then 3300, 3302 first target, 33810 the next, 321618 the third. And if these three are taken, possibly we are seeing 3330, 3332 zone, and then 3340. If 3340 is taken, sky is the limit on the upside. You can possibly look forward to 3355, 54, 3365, and in fact 3380 levels as well. But I am not looking forward to such a great rise, at least today. On the downside, you can sell here at 32 85, 86 levels. Expect 3280, 78 as a very good support here. 3280, 78 zone. Below this 3270, the strong support, and then below 32, ideally I'll be looking forward to 3250, 3230 levels, and in fact it can move further lower towards 3210 and 3200 levels. Let's watch out if it delivers a breakout, such a strong breakout today. Yes, only bearishness is below 3270 and 60, below which you can say more bearishness will be seen. Trade accordingly. Let's move to silver. See, silver earlier in the day I have mentioned the support zone here at 3280, 60, and see with the support here it is trying to bounce back. And now if you see this moving averages have crossed over, it has moved towards 50 period. Very important for silver to trade beyond 3320 levels, and then you can expect it to move towards 3340 and 3350 levels. 3350 should offer a greater resistance. Beyond this, expect 3370, and if that is taken, then 34 is the next targets. See, it has formed a very good support at 3280. So now 3280 is the only level below which you should take a sell. Stochastic rising. MACD has hit a bottom. It has crossed over, trading with divergence, is staying bullish, looking upwards. RSI rising. Again, signs are supportive for further bullishness. If you look at 2-hour chart, on the 2-hour charts, you can clearly see after forming the base, now it is approaching towards 2050 average here and median of the Bollinger Bands as well. So now once it breaks beyond 3320, we can look forward to a move towards 3340, 50 or 3340, 60 zone, which should offer a good resistance here. Beyond this 3370 levels will appear. Beyond 3370, just stay bullish. What it has done, you can see this last few times whenever it has dropped here towards 100 period, taking the support, we have seen a bounce back, again taking the support, it is trying to rise. This could in fact take silver all the way towards 34 as well. Let's watch out for this. Stochastic rising. The MACD is bearish, trying to cross over for buy. RSI is rising here. On the 3-hour charts, similar observation here on the 3-hour charts. Striking 20 period, we will watch out how it behaves beyond this 3320, the median of the Bollinger Bands, and beyond 3320 is where slight bullishness will be seen. On the downside, the support at 3280 is pretty strong. Stochastic rising here. The MACD is trading bearish, trying to converge. RSI is looking upwards, staying bullish. On the 4-hour charts, you have similar observation. You can see on the 4-hour charts taking the support from 50 period, trying to bounce back, waiting for it to cross beyond 3320, 3350 levels. That these levels are going to definitely offer a greater resistance for silver. Else what could happen? Drop retracement, and from here if it starts to reverse, it is going to deliver A down move which could take the prices all the way towards 3250. Stochastic rising, MACD is right now bearish, the RSI is also almost flat here. Coming to daily chart. On the daily charts, what has happened? Kissing 20 period, price is trying to bounce back, though it has created a step, and hence the up move is definitely going to be difficult. Also, look at the flat top here with the reversal sign here. This suggests that 3370 should offer a greater resistance here. Beyond 3370, we can look forward to a greater bullish move. Else, what's happening? We can again see it dropping here. We can see it trading bearish and moving all the way towards 3240. However, the selling entries are only below 3280 now. The stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD is in green, trying to cross over for buy. The RSI is flat. So considering this, I will only recommend you to buy if you see it is staying above 3320 and then expect it to move towards 3340 50 at the first target zone, and then in fact 3380 70 80 should be the next, and then 3410 3450 level should appear. Right now, early to conclude with such a stronger rise, but yes, it is trying to recover a little. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 3280 levels. Below 3280, you can take a sell, expect it to move towards 3260 3240 levels, and if 3240 is taken, stay short for $32 levels. Below 32, stronger bearishness should prevail. We can see it moving all the way towards 3150 and $31 levels. Right now, this momentum is on the upside, the momentum is bullish, and hence on the downside, as long as 3280 3260 zone is not taken, you have to be careful with the sells, and only bearishness is below 3240. Take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates. Do not miss to watch it. Thank you.